What was that?
My stomach.
The girl with the stomach of steel has a tummy ache?
Do not. I'm hungry too.
And walked off. Oh, tea time. Oh, come on, Henry. I promised I'd get you home in time for tea.
And you know what else is a surprise? How way, way, way hungry all that shopping made me. Come on, Kaz. You've got to feed us.
Ooh, wowee. My stomach's growling.
I am.
Oh, me too. I'm starving.
I'm starving more.
Tommy. Closer. Oh. Never let me have cookies again!
And today, I'm learning tap dancing. But I'm thinking about lunch.
Okay, Sprig, you got anything to eat?
All this worry is making me sick.
Sure, and I'll try my hardest to share snacks in the future. I do have a bigger tummy, though.
Where did that growly noise come from? Hey, that's your stomach growling.
You know, I don't think I've eaten since the prank war started.
Me neither.
What was that? Well, that was my tummy talking.
And the engine starts itself. That's just me being hungry. I'm gonna swing by Capes and Cowls. What is it? My stomach's growling, and all we have at home is bread and jam.
Erwin, I don't know what you fed me last night, but whatever it was... It wants out!
Crap, I ran out of food money!
Relax, man. I'm not gonna eat your food.
I'm sorry, I'm starving!
Super Kitty calls her for emergencies only. And eating tuna is not an emergency. Though I wish it was.
I also hunger for ramen. Must be lunchtime. But dare I risk breaking my self-imposed imprisonment?
All right, I get the hint.
He had only 2 loves in his life. His horses and Louise's.
Ooh, definitely. No, I'm great.
Professor's chili sure is rumbly in my tumbly.
We're gonna make it in time. I think I can feel the crow pox turning my organs inside out.
Oh, now it's saying something weird is going on over there.
Lucky, I'm conflicted. I can't tell if I'm suffering from abandonment issues or separation anxieties. Or gas.
You sure have a big appetite for such a little kid.
And I'm not going to survive until lunch. Hey! Stop that disrespect! I said it's not until lunch. You know what? Fine, I'll eat.
My belly still says it's hungry, though. Well, luckily I thought ahead, Carmen.
What was that? That's just my tummy. Boy, I'm even hungrier now. Cheesecake?
Turned you into a winner! Yeah! Ooh, that was the sound of you digesting about 17 pounds of ground chuck! You scared a yeti!
でも、私ばっかり我慢なんておかしいもん。お腹減った。My tummy never would make silly sounds like... Never mind. I'm hungry too.
Okay. Gorsh, all that yummy talk got our tummies rumbling.
Oh, all that running around made me hungry. I'm starving.
I know. I can hear your tummy gurgling. For a second, I thought alien larvae might have hatched in your belly. Hello?
Your table's ready.
Finally.
Holy smokes! We'll be right there. Come on, Daphne, there's trouble.
But...
Your tummy's gurgling.
It's my tummy, Tigger. Being this big makes me awfully hungry.
Guess my stomach's thinking about other things.
When my stomach growls, my body's telling me I'm hungry.
Skate off. And now I'm getting hungry.
My stomach is talking.
I should have never listened to my dumb gut. Yes, you!
Evie. I know, Evie. Wait a bit. Dinner will be ready soon.
Huh? What was that?
Sorry, it's my tummy growling.
Sounds to me like your tummy's telling us it's lunchtime.
Needs are hard.
Campers, pick a pole.
A hungry Emma is a bad Emma.
I feel strange. Mom, what's the matter? I feel... Oh, I'm hungry.
Uh-oh. Just what we need. Bears.
Bears? We don't get a lot of bears around here.
Yeah, hear that?
That's no bear. That's just my tummy. It gets kind of growly when I'm hungry.
Bring us a bowl of some plain broth.
Oh.
Password accepted.
Bilal, where's lunch? I'm starving.
Whoa, Tummy. Do you want some food? I think she does.
If your power goes out, remain calm.
Girlfriend, are you okay?
Yeah, I thought...
Huh? Whoopsie daisy. It's just my belly.
Now, where can I leave this invitation?
Oh, I think I ate a little too much.
Wait a minute, no more!
Well, whatever it is, I'm at it.
What is the matter with you?
It's no big deal. I just...
What is going on?
I just maybe, probably, really shouldn't have eaten that can.
Ooh, what's going on in there?
Ooh, what is going on in there?
I feel something moving around.
You put your right arm in your
Hey!
なんだ、腹減ってんじゃねえか。カップラーメンでよけりゃ部屋に。おやすみなさい。
I know, I'm hungry too, stomach.
And a proper lunch. If your falcon does not fetch this bit of beef soon, I fear I may have to eat it myself.
Is that coming from me?
Sure. Almost perfect.
Am I the only member of this team who thinks world domination is more important than what's for lunch? Now let's focus ourselves on what really matters, and that's how we're going to capture Pikachu! Now my stomach says it's time to eat.
あら、カノンも食べたい？
私は別に。
Sorry.
What about it? What's the harm?
My tummy
more embarrassing than a growling tummy.
Sorry about the crumbs. Gotta go!
We're in Pets of Dream moment. Well then, it's time for chicken steak. Oh!
Lee, you were okay.
Fred, I'm starving. Can I take 5?
That's what you get when you skip breakfast.
Are glowing as well. As the journey...
Ponyville will be overrun with uneducated little ponies starving for apples.
Ow! Oh, that just made me hungry.
God, Linda, just eat some.
Oh no!
That's an unexpected reaction. Oh, it's my tummy.
My stomach hurts.
Hey, little bits. Need some help?
I am going to kill her! But first I'm gonna puke!
It's the milkshake from our first date, 6 weeks ago.
Coming through! Literally!
Oh no! Do I hear thunder? No, that's my tummy. Then we better get a snack too.
Stop it, stomach! You're scaring me!
All that emotions made me hungry. I could go for a bite.
Whoa, guys, you feeling alright? I'm not feeling too good myself.
Food! I'm gonna grab some rotten candy while you guys figure this out.
Bye! Just seems to be going nuts for that smile dip.
Ugh. Maybe I've had too much. Oh, you're still here. I mean, it is a lot of hay. Thank you so much for your help. Now my tummy's grumbling, so I'll just step inside to eat. Okay, bye-bye.
So, maybe it's love? Oh, what is it?
Don't use that word. Oh, crap.
Oh, I'm so hungry. It's impossible to resist these cravings. I need...
I'm starving.
Good, because lunch will now be served on the main deck.
I think the only effect it had is that it made me hungry.
Maybe now I can eat something, maybe?
Uh-oh.
Coming through!
Aw, that was a cute tune, honey.
Trees.
Mom, can we eat? My stomach is starting to sound like Arnold Schwarzenegger gasping for air at the end of Total Recall.
Yeah, my eyes are popping out at the end of this movie.
Sick.
What was that? I had a Hannah thing last night and I overslept and missed breakfast.
I guess I'm getting a little bit hungry.
You hear this, Louie? I'm starving here.
But I'm still hungry.
What else is new? Oh, come to think of it, we haven't eaten since yesterday, have we?
Oh no! A stomachache at the beach? That's no fun!
Oh, gosh.
According to the map, we've reached Piggy's stomach.
Quiet down there! Pretty sure there's a rule against tummies ringing in. And the 16 mini donuts?
Definitely still need those.
Take us now! Take us now!
I should not have drunk that much tea. Oh, oopsie daisy. Maybe I shouldn't have eaten so fast. I don't feel so good. Oh, my peas. Oh, bad tummy ache.
And so, breakfast related.
Shh, quiet. I want to hear what they're saying.
And I know just where to start! The bathroom.
What the hell did you just...
Hey.
Sure you're okay? Again? Yeah, except I still have that weird feeling in my tummy.
Does anyone else hear that strange buzzing sound?
Yes, like the low hum of an incoming B-52. Are we at war?
I think it's that darn sophomore with the deviated septum who must have closed his mouth again.
Breakfast? I didn't even have dinner last night. A really bad idea to go on a diet.
My tummy's getting grumbly for astronaut ice cream.
Sam, well, listen to my stomach. I don't want to listen to... Oh my god, it sounds like Chewbacca.
Doesn't it? 1, 2, 3! Yay, my hand! Well, now I'm hungry again. Here, give me your wrist and I'll glue your hand back on. Oh, I never should have eaten 4. Oh, sorry. This mission is making me hungry. Who's up for a snack?
Oh my lord!
I think I ate too many snacks. This butterflies. Thanks. I'm really not that hungry.
Well, the offer's good for the next hour if you change your mind.
Itadakimasu.
And that was your stomach.
You know that feeling you get when a volcano is about to go off in your gut and you have no idea which end's gonna blow? Yeah.
Oh, nothing. Just taking a stroll.
Well, sounds like someone's hungry.
I have no friends, no home, and very much of the hunger.
Excuse me. Does anyone else's tummy feel weird?
Ah! I feel weird that you used the word.
What is wrong with you? Chaos and Pepperjack used that chili to take us all out on the shantung fabric.
Thanks, Cora. Oops. Sorry. Guess I'm hungrier than I thought.
I'm starting to feel like I ate a bag of bad news.
Or sunset. Sugar Crash. Nobody should try to keep up with Pinkie Pie.
That'll teach that kitty to ignore me. Ew! All that work gave me an appetite.
Yuck. I guess I don't really like bananas.
We're gonna need supplies.
My stomach thinks it's a great idea for us to find some lunch now. Great to have you around again.
Sheesh, you've been starving since I was gone? Come on, why don't we head out and I'll make you your favorite pie?
Oh, my stomach. Joy boops. Gotta get to the bathroom.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and if you forget it, your stomach will surely remind you. I can hear a noise. It can't possibly be. Or this sound. Is it? Am I going insane? Miss, it's Tina's wild hunger roaring. Sorry.
Whoa, all this snacking makes me hungry. I'm hungry.
Feed me and tell me I'm pretty!
I guess we better get some food.
Oh! Watching all these hungry people is making me hungry!
Russell's right about that kibble.